I'm torn. I was told once the shine kind of comes off of these, if it's got a spot on the bottom, it's gonna be ready. Look how big that thing is. That looks like 38 pounds. If it's not ripe, oh well, I got another one down in there just as big. It's the biggest thing I've ever grown. And I know some of you are going to comment it's not very big, but for me, I'm just tickled. But I didn't have a butcher knife with me, so we're going to have to cut this up to the house. Yeah, I think my paring knife's too small. That might be too small. As in the time of King Arthur, let's draw the sword from the lotus pond. Well, that might be a little too big. So what do you think? I'm gonna make a mess if I do that. See, and they said Grandpa used to just hit it, but I don't want to do that either. Let's go ahead and cut it the short way. See what we got. You gotta be kidding me. Valerie, this is one of your little yellow... Valerie, this is one of your little yellow watermelons. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That is awesome. And I was hoping they were gonna crack open and be red. Look at that, that's 12 inches across. That is amazing. Okay, well, like Grandpa said, you want to get that heart piece. Oh. That is absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. No joke. If you get an opportunity to grow these yellow ones, oh. You can do this too. I think that's the best watermelon I've ever eaten. It's definitely the biggest watermelon I've ever grown. And I am just shocked. That is amazing. That is beautiful. 38 pounds. You can do this too. I think we're going to start a watermelon diet today. 38 pounds. And I'm going to eat every bit of it. Well, I might have to share a little bit with my wife. This is amazing. I'm going to save all those seeds. I want to thank you for stopping by and helping me open up this watermelon. And this is why we do it, because it tastes great. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.